Good morning, everybody. It's Monday, April 27th, day 21 of distance learning. How are you? How was your weekend? I hope to see you in Zoom coming up shortly in about a half an hour, where we will be able to see our friends, share some stories, maybe do a dance with Go Noodle, and just have some quality time with each other from our homes. Today for school, we are going to do an ELA assignment where we're going to listen to a story and focus on a new concept called character traits. We're going to be listening to Miss Rompus, which can be found on the website. And then we will be completing this paper right here. We're going to describe Miss Rompus. Now, we can either choose to tell about her physical traits, what we can see from the story, or her personality traits. Her personality traits, we're going to have to kind of investigate. When we say that someone is nice, what actions do they have that prove that they are nice? Or if we say that someone is mean, what have they done to prove that they are mean? I point that out because it says talk about what part of the text helps you to describe her. So we do want to make sure that these words that we write down for her personality or her physical traits are words that can be proved from the story. For math today, we are going to do choosing the right measurement tool. We see on here that they're talking about a ruler, a yardstick, a measuring tape, and at the bottom, they also put in the tool of scale. Think to yourself about the size of each of these items. The ruler, the yardstick, and the measuring tape. We've done some of this in class together, so this isn't a brand new concept for you, but we are going to dive a little deeper into those standards now that we're ready for that. With the assignment today, read the question. Here we go. You are making a costume for a play. You need to measure your waist. What would you use to measure? Fill in the circle that you think you would use. And then in the box over here, you have to explain why you think that measurement tool is the correct tool. That why shows me your understanding of this math concept. The last assignment that we're going to do today is the science exoskeleton exhibit. Well, if you don't remember what an exoskeleton is, that's okay. It's actually been written right here for you again, in case you forgot we had these neat little vocab cards. Humans are vertebrates. That means we have a backbone. Humans have skeletons on the inside of our bodies. But insects are invertebrates. They have a hard outside covering that provides their support and protection. That's called an exoskeleton. We're going to pretend today that you are an insect, and we are actually going to draw an exoskeleton for yourself. It does also say to label each part. Remember that every part of the bug is covered in some sort of hard exterior to keep all the little bits of the bug safe. Think to yourself, should we see flip-flops? Should I see your toes? Should I see your ears? Should I see your nose? Our skeleton is inside our body, and that is how all of our muscles and our Our organs and our systems are all held right up and in place. Try and think of a way that we could still have our shape if we had outside kind of like armor. I don't know, I'm picturing like a knight in shining armor. I don't know, maybe it's kind of where my mind went as an exoskeleton example. Ladies and gentlemen, I know that the assignments look a little bit different this week. If you are having any trouble with uploading all of the assignments under one tab, please reach out to me. The reason that I did this, mostly, honestly, it's for me. It's going to make it much, much more efficient. And we know that word, fast and easy. It's going to make it much more efficient for me to grade your papers. And I also think it's going to just what we would call streamline or make it easier for you to find the assignments that you want to upload. It will also give you the ability to upload ahead of time if you would like to work ahead. If you are working ahead, please still come back and check out the videos just to make sure that you are getting all the little details to those assignments that you might miss if you're just working on your own. I'm going to go and get ready for our Zoom. I hope to see you soon. I love you guys. Have a great day.